So for today's comparison, you have the Xiaomi 12S versus the Xiaomi 12S Pro. Now let's begin with the screen. The screen type, you're looking at the LTP version 2, that's in the Pro version, so it's a better screen. Refresh rates, both are 120 Hz, but the brightness in the Pro version is a lot brighter. It's 1500 nits. Pixel density, 521. So you get crystal clear, beautiful graphics on the screen. 2K compared to the fully HD in the standard version. The screen size is a bit larger at 6.73. Protection, both Gorilla Glass Victus. So the Pro screen is very clear. Performance, the processor, both using the same 3.2 GHz, that's 95% on our scale. Chipset, both are using the Snapdragon 8 Plus, that's Gen 1. And the graphics, both are using the same graphics. System both 5G running on Android 12. Android 13 should be out this summer, I think. And the battery is just slightly bigger in the Pro version at 4600, sorry. The fast charging, super fast, 120 watts, 19 minutes fast. Trust me, it's really fast. You should try a 120 watt fast charger. The rear camera, both are using a 50 megapixel main lens. Ultra wide is better in the Pro version, that's a 50 megapixel and it's wider. Focal length is wider in the standard version. So selfie video, both 8K 24 frames per second. And selfie video, both are 32 megapixel. Fully HD 60 frames per second, that's the selfie video. Now for the storage. Again, neither of these devices support memory card. I think they're slightly phasing up memory card usage in the device. UFS 3.1. And RAM, both are using the 12 gig DDR5 RAM. And for internal storage, both can go up to 512 gig of space. So that's a lot of storage for you. Design, the weight, standard version is 182 grams, that's light. Water resistance, yes, both are. Earphone jack, no, but you can use your adapter. I'm going to post it in the comment what the adapter looks like. Radio, neither is supported. And NFC, yes, both are supported. Fingerprint sensor in the display, both devices. Bluetooth version 5.2. Except for the weight, both devices are the same design. Now for the results. $100 lighter for the standard version, that's not bad. But the winner goes to the Xiaomi 12S Pro. It has a better screen, better performance, better camera, both devices use the same storage, and it has a better design, I would say. Comment below which one you prefer. See you in the next video, guys.